I am editing a file right here inside of Databricks' UC volume within VS Code, no browser, no copy and pasting from my desktop, and I'm done. Hi, I'm Ryan Chichak with Databricks, and today I'm fixing a real limitation without ever leaving my editor. Jumping to a browser just to touch a file in a volume breaks my flow every time. Here is the Databricks extension. And when I open up a volume, this is all I see, the volume. And then what I have to do to actually edit the files within the side of this volume is open up my browser. This again breaks my flow. It's right here inside of GitHub. Grab the VSIX file and install it as an extension inside of Cursor or VS Code. Using the Databricks volumes extension that I built is very simple to use. You can see if you click on the extension, at the top shows your favorites, your favorite volumes, and then you can scroll your various files. We already modified the hello file editing right now. If I look at my notes file, I'm able to make a modification testing and then just click on Control Save, and it's saved directly into the volume again without leaving my workflow of VS Code or Cursor. If I find another volume that I'm interested in, let's go into the shared interops. Again, you're able to search if you have a lot of folders, and you can see here is my interops, and you can see test2 with a data file. I can star this volume, and then this volume will show up at the top of the list, and it's done. Again, I never left my editor, and that saves straight back into the volume, saving me a ton of time. But here's the part that actually matters most to me. This isn't just a hack I put together. The pieces to build this were already there. The Databricks CLI already writes and reads volumes, and VS Code lets you add an extension or a file system really easily. And this is the whole point. Databricks is open source. There's a lot of components that are open, like the CLI that you can use. Any limitation I see is just an opportunity to build a fix myself with the CLI as we did, and then share it back to the community. And that is the whole point of what open source is founded on. And this project, as I said, is in GitHub, and it is open source MIT. If this saved you a trip opening your browser back and forth, downloading files like you have to inside of Databricks, if you try to modify these files, you can see this is you're going to have to actually save this and then re-upload this or use the CLI directly yourself. And this is exactly what this tool does. Is this extension, you can see if I open up my hello, if I make another modification, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's it. You don't have to do the back and forth anymore. The Databricks Volume Explorer is open source, MIT license, and if this saved you a browser trip, feel free to like this video and tell me what you'd like me to build next. Thanks, everybody.